Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have this beautiful deep wave wig, and let me tell you, it's fire. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look and learning more about this hair, make sure you keep on watching. Today's wig is from Vivi Babi Wigs. They are having a wig giveaway, so make sure you check them out. They do give a wig cap, and this wig looks bomb straight out the packaging. Look at that curl pattern. Like, that wave is on point. This wig is 26 inches. It has 13x4 parting space, as you can see, and it does come pre-plucked. The lace is very transparent. It's more like I would say like a medium brown color. So I did have to use some foundation to actually make sure it matched my skin tone, but it wasn't hard. So now we're getting into this install. I already cut off some of the front part of the lace, so I'm just showing you guys how I cut the sides. And of course I use Gots to Be Glued. We're just going to use a thin layer of that just to lay this wig. This is the best way to apply your wig if you're just looking to keep your wig on just for a few days. If you want a longer hold, then make sure you use like some Ghost Bond or some glue that's really strong. And I'm just going in with my blow dryer with the cool settings for about 30 seconds to make sure everything lays. Now, when I started the install, the hair was already damp, but I want to make sure that I get the curl pattern right. So you will see how I fix the curl pattern at the end. Right now, I really want to just focus on getting the frontal right. So we are just going to tie that up with a scarf just so we can make sure that it melts. And here is how the hair looks after it's been air dried for about 2 hours. I usually do my baby hairs first, but I just wanted to let this lay and see how it would look without the baby hairs and show you guys, because I know everybody doesn't like baby hairs. And now I am going to just do a few little swoops on this side. I just feel like it makes the wig look more natural and the hairline, because we don't want to show any lace. So this is the best way to cover it up. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation color. You want to make sure you're using the same foundation you're going to use for your makeup for the same day. Don't use like different foundations or concealers. You want everything to match. Last but not least, I'm going in with my water and conditioner mix, and I'm just drenching the hair just a little bit just to make sure I don't have any flyaways or frizzy hairs sticking up. So y'all, these curls, or should I say deep waves, are official. Look at this. Amazing. This curl pattern's so tight, even towards the ends, which is amazing. Some wigs, they're like really frizzy or whatever on the ends, and this wig is not. I still have a little bit of water in here still, so the hair is damp, but it's like, I would say 60% dry. Once it's really dry, it'll be really full. It just depends. If you don't like really full hair, you can put some gel in it or some mousse like I did. I like the hair more subtle and to fit my face, so I'm feeling this. I love this curl pattern. I can't say it enough. This hair does shed a little bit, so I want you to keep that in mind. Nothing too crazy, but it does shed and it does not tangle. I did bleach the nods and just pluck this little part, got a side part going, and I did a few little baby hair swoops, so it's looking really good. So overall, this hair is bomb. It's long. Let me show you guys the back so you can see how long it is. So overall, I love this hair. I love a good curl pattern, and I love a wig that you can just wet and go, especially if you're a mom like me. I'm just don't have as much time as I used to. So you can just literally just pop this on, put some water in it, and by, well, I would say within an hour, your curls will be popping, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please show your support. You know I appreciate it. Give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Till my next video, peace.